Okay, so a quick explanation again from where we started the last time. Your major interest is LearnPress. When you hover over LearnPress, you see a flyout menu here. So what you do to create a new course is to go to courses here. So here we are. Now to create a new course, there are two options you can take here. Or is either you click on add new course here, or you go to this new link here, point to new, scroll down this menu up to course here, and you click on course. So whether you click on this button here or use the option here, it will still take you to the same screen. Okay, so here we are. The first thing you want to do here is to go to this bar here to type your course name. I'll pick a course like year 6 social studies. Sorry, year 6 social studies. Remember, you you must always add the year, the class that you're working on, add it before the subject, so that when you have a list of several other subjects that bear the same name, like social studies for all other classes, you won't get this mixed up. You always know which one belongs to which class. So once you're done typing your subject or course title here, you come down here and type a description of the course. You can type a description here, or you put the course outline here. You can attach a video here that will help, help the students to connect quickly to this course that you're creating. So this can be a description, video or audio, or even graphics. So the next thing you do is scroll down here and select the number of weeks that this course will run for. Go to assessments, select the different options you want to use for assessing the student in this course. If you don't know what any of these do, point to the question mark and the tip will pop out, which will help you with information on what the particular evaluation or assessment option would give you. The next thing will be to pick a price. If you're charging students outside your school, you may want to put the price here. The next option is author. But like I explained in a previous charts, your focus should be: one is course title, second the course description, third the duration of the course itself, and the next one will be to select the category or the class that this course is going to. Once you're done with that, you go to set featured image. So you have two options. If you already have the image loaded to the media library, or you want to use any of the other ones that had been uploaded, you just click on any of these, make sure it sticks, and then you say set featured image. But if you want to pick an image from your computer, what you do is you go to upload files, go to this option, say select files. You identify where your image is, pick the image and say open. Take notes of the image loading here. You wait for it to be fully loaded and displayed. Then you say set featured image. Observe this point until the image comes in, and then you say publish. Take note, you must publish before it becomes available on the front end. So we'll do publish here. Okay, so we've created a new course. So if you go to the front end here by right clicking on this permalink to say open link in new tab, it will open up in a new tab right here, which you can click to follow and view the course that you just created the same way that the student will see it at the front end, which is this. Okay, so we'll go back to the course, and what we can do here is to begin to add the scheme of work. So you just scroll down here, come to this section that says curriculum, and begin to type. Maybe you want to start with week 1. You type, and then you press the enter key on your keyboard. Wait for this loading process to be completed, and then you have 3 options: one for adding lessons, another for adding quiz, and a third option for adding an assignment. So if you're going to add lessons to this week, what you do is type the lesson name. So this is social studies. Maybe I can type introduction to social studies. Once I'm done typing, I'll tap enter, wait for the saving process to complete, and then I have this. I may decide to type a second lesson, importance of social studies, and I'll tap enter again, wait for this saving process to be completed. I can decide to add a quiz here. Let me call it mock tests on importance of social studies. Tap enter. Because say I have all of these. These are just topics for the things I would like to treat during the first week. For me to add content properly to each of these, what I'll do is I'll point to it, scroll all the way to the right, and pick the edit button link. So once I do that, you take note that this is opened in a new window. The main course itself is still available on a different tab here. So once this is opened here, I can start typing the contents or the notes, class note I want to give to the student for that week. I can enter the duration of the class, which is usually 45 minutes or 1 hour in some schools. So I can go to my Microsoft Word document now to lift the document that I want to paste here, the content that I want to paste here, or I can go to the internet and just search for it. If I'm working with social studies, if I want to lift from the internet, so okay, this is social studies, introduction to social studies. I'll open the internet link. Oh, this is a PDF, so I'll just scroll back, take I'll just lift anything. Okay, let me just lift this, copy. I'll copy it, I'll come here, right click here and paste. So I have that at the body of my document. Now, like I explained previously, this button gives the option to edit the body of your text just like you do with Microsoft Word. So I may decide to push this to the next line and add this as introduction here. I can bold this. I can make it larger by choosing header option there. Then let's say I want to add a video here. I can go to YouTube, type the topic that I'm looking for, go to videos here and look for a video that relates to what I'm working on. So this is a good video, welcome to social studies. So I'll click on this video. Now to embed the video, you wait for the video to load, and then you go to the bottom of the video here, take the option that says share video, share. So you click on share, wait for this to pop up, and then you take this option that says embed. I click on it, and I'll select the whole of the code there, right click, and I'll copy. I'll come back to my lesson here to paste right under my body of text here. But to do that, I'll click my mouse where I want it to be before I go to text here, and then I'll come right below any block of text and paste my code here. Once I'm done with that, I'll go back to visual here, and I have my video here. If I need to take out this extra space, it's just to do the same thing you do in Microsoft Word. Click somewhere and backspace to delete it. So once that is done, you click update. You wait for it to finish updating. So that's done, and then you go back to your course here and also update it, because you've added something to one of these, so you have to update it also. Okay, so here we are, everything updated. So we can either choose this option that says view course, or we go to this permalink here. So I'll take this option that says view course, because we've taken the permalink before. Okay, so here we are, social studies year 6, with all of the options that we selected here, and then we come to curriculum. You find the curriculum that we uploaded at the other end. So I'll go to this topic which I added a video to. Okay, so this is my video here, so I can click on my video to play. I can see the block of text that I added before, and then the video here. So the first one here will be empty, but I click on it to be empty because we did not add anything to it. The mock tests on importance of social study will also be empty. You can see lesson content is empty, but if I click on the second one where we've added text and a video, we'll have it displayed here. So that is how to add content, to create a course, to add content to it, to embed video, to add featured image to it, and how to view your work at the end of the day.